Guys, welcome back on our channel. And I just came back from Portugal and again I was inspired by a very simple recipe but delicious. Today we're going to make a classic sardine pate served on toast. Guys, I love tinned sardines and if you want to know how they catch sardines, please visit the video of my friend David Pescu. Click here on this button and you will see how Cornish sardines are caught in a very sustainable way. Open a tin of sardines in olive oil and I'm going to drain them. And I save the oil. Okay, so I've drained the sardines. I'm using whole sardines and the only thing I'm going to do is check if there are big bones in. And I just scoop the bones out, but don't be afraid as these bones are really softened because they were preserved in a can. So we'll add these into my food processor. Okay, next step, shallot. So one nice shallot, and I chop it fine, but not too fine. I mean, we're going to process them here in this mixer, in the food processor. So just to have it chunked up, there we go. Okay, so I have 1 tin of sardines, which is around 80 grams net weight. I'm using 75 grams of butter on room temperature. The zest of 1 lemon. And then I start with the juice of half a lemon. Then I add the olive oil out of the can. Gives extra flavor. A bit of pepper and a bit of salt. And then I chop some parsley. There we go. If you like it, spice it up with some chili flakes, but I prefer without for today. Okay. Now we're going to mix this up. Okay, so I'm making a spread, a pate, all these delicious flavors, where sardine is our hero today. The same recipe could count, for example, for mackerel, making a mackerel spread. So, first I start with a little taste. It's good. I give it a bit of extra juice of lemon and some more pepper. And there we go. Sardine pate is ready. So it's nice to make some up front for the weekend, for your party. Okay, so we have some nice crispy toast here. Serve it here on top. To garnish, chop parsley. Nice. Great. Maybe a few drops of olive oil. And a bit of extra lemon zest. Time for a taste. Imagine this in Portugal with a nice glass of sparkling wine. Okay, there we go. Wow, this is so good. It's simple. It's the ultimate party food. Guys, please share with me your favorite tinned sardine recipe. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them in the box down below. Please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more delicious seafood recipes, just stay tuned. Bye bye.